Hello students, today we will discuss about pressure. What is pressure? The amount of force exerted on the surface per unit area is called pressure. Means how much force you are applying on how much area. So we can also say it is defined as the ratio of force to the area, and mathematically if pressure is denoted by P, then pressure is equals to force upon area. Now how will we find out its unit? So if you want to find unit of pressure, then what will we do? We will write unit of force upon unit of area. So what is unit of force? It's Newton, and unit of area is meter square. So unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, or you can also call it Pascal, denoted by PA. Now to understand this, let us take an example. Suppose we are having a sharp pin, and on other side we are having a blunt pin. So which one will be easier to put up in the wall? It will be sharp pin, because it has pointed area. So suppose if we apply same amount of force, suppose we are applying any F force to both of the pins, but it will be easier that this sharp pin will have more pressure, because the same force is applied on small area here. But this blunt pin, the force is applied on this blunt area, means it is force is applying on larger area, so it will have more pressure than the blunt one. So we can easily say pressure is inversely proportional to area. Means if the area of application is more, then pressure will be less, or if area is less, then pressure will be more. Now some application of the concept of pressure, how it is useful to us. Now let us see some example. School bags have wider straps. Why is very useful? Because wider straps distribute the force throughout a greater surface area, which reduce the pressure on the shoulder, because there is greater surface area, means that will, as we know, pressure is inversely proportional to area. So more area means less pressure on the shoulder. Now next, some other example are sewing machine. Why its tip are kept sharp? For the same reason, to increase the pressure. And the tip of the knife is also, if it is blunt, then you will not be able to cut vegetables so quickly as you do with the sharp knife. Then now have you think why potters place a round piece of cloth on their heads when they have to carry heavy loads? Now the reason is, by doing this they increase the area of contact of the load with their head. So the pressure on their head is reduced, and they find it easier to carry the load. So this was the concept of pressure. You find out some more examples, see around you, and just find out and send it to me. Thank you.